Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with STA Travel for affordable study abroad options. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser of choice. In the search bar, type STA Travel and hit enter. Click on the official STA Travel website link in the search results. Once on the home page, navigate to the top menu. Look for the Study Abroad section. Click on that link to explore affordable options. Browse through the various programs listed to find one that interests you. Each program will have detailed descriptions and pricing information. Take your time to read through the specifications and requirements for each trip. If you have specific countries or regions in mind, use the search filter option. After selecting a program, click on the Learn More button for additional details. Make note of the program dates and costs for your budget considerations. When ready, locate the Contact Us option on the top menu. Click on it to find different ways to get in touch with STA Travel. You may choose to chat online for immediate assistance. Alternatively, you can find a contact number for a direct call. If preferred, there's also an option to send an email inquiry. Prepare your questions ahead of time to ensure you cover all necessary details. Questions may include program availability, financial aid options, or travel insurance. Hit the Submit button if sending an email, or wait for the representative on the chat or call. Once you receive a response, clarify any doubts about the program you selected. After addressing your questions, you can proceed to make reservations. Follow the prompts to complete your booking securely. Keep an eye on any confirmation emails that will detail your trip. Make sure to review all information regarding your travel itinerary. You're now on your way to experiencing an affordable study abroad adventure with STA Travel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.